Welcome to this quick video on adding a calendar to a cell in Google Sheets. This is really useful if you want to enter some dates and you want to be able to pick from a calendar rather than type in that date. It means the formats are consistent, especially when multiple people are using Sheets and things like that. So I have a bit of data in front of me. The final column is the order date, and I've got all of the information in there except for the row at the bottom. And I want to set up so that this one and going forward I can just select from a calendar. So I'm going to click on that cell, and obviously if you want to do this to multiple cells, you're just going to select multiple cells before you select the option. And then I'm going to go to the data tab at the top, and I'm going to select data validation from the drop down list, and that's going to pop up with data validation rules on the right hand side. Now you might see some rules that already are added in there. Just make sure they're accurate. Sometimes it does have a tendency to pop in a rule if it thinks that it's trying to be clever and suggest what you might want. You can see once a rule's been added in there, you can delete it. You'll see a delete option. Obviously it's not there because I don't have one yet. What I'm going to do is click on add rule, and then it's going to give me some options. And this is where I would come in and do my drop downs. But what I'm going to do instead, in the criteria, I want to select is valid date. And then all I need to do at the bottom is click on done. And that's done there. And you can see the remove all option there now that I've got a rule in place. So I'm just going to click on the cross. And because we're in Google Sheets, it just remembers and saves everything immediately. So if I click on away, it doesn't look like anything is going on in that cell at all. And actually if I click on it once, again, nothing's going on. What you have to do is click on it twice. So you need to double click. And if I double click, you'll see a little calendar has popped up where I can select a date from there. And it's much easier to work with. You'll get consistent formatting, and it'll be easier to select the right date for you and anyone else who might be collaborating on this sheet. So a really useful little function there in Google Sheets. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and let me know what videos you'd like me to record next.